What's up guys, Sal here. So the OnePlus 5T saw record launch sales. There were plenty of OnePlus 5 buyers unhappy that they purchased the wrong OnePlus flagship this year because the T model came out only a few months after the OnePlus 5, sporting a much better design. The same thing might happen to OnePlus 5T buyers if the following rumor pans out. Apparently, the OnePlus 6 launch may be just around the corner, and the phone will sport both a better design and improved hardware. Now, a new report from Gizmo China claims that the OnePlus 6 will have a fingerprint scanner under the display. A few days ago, Synaptics revealed that it's ready to provide smartphone makers such sensors, with Chinese maker Vivo set to debut the first phone with a fingerprint sensor beneath the screen. If Gizmo China's report is accurate, it's likely that Synaptics would provide the same part to OnePlus as well. And it shouldn't come as a huge surprise that OnePlus 6 could feature the in-display fingerprint sensor, since Vivo, Oppo and OnePlus are all the same company. I mean, they are the subsidiary of BBK Electronics. If Vivo is getting this feature, then it is expected that the OnePlus 6 will have it as well. Anyways, the report goes on to say that the OnePlus 6 could be unveiled in March and launch in stores by the end of the month. That's the part OnePlus 5T buyers might hate. But then again, if you keep postponing a smartphone purchase just because the next best thing is coming along soon, you'll end up never buying anything. That said, a March launch of a OnePlus flagship makes sense if a second one comes along a few months later. That's what Samsung does with its Galaxy S and Note lines, and that's something OnePlus should consider as it continues to make its mark on the Android market. Finally, Gizmo China says the OnePlus 6 will be powered by Snapdragon 845 chipset. That's hardly a surprise. Regardless of when the phone will actually launch, it will surely pack the best Qualcomm chip available. Of course, that said, let me know what you guys think of the OnePlus 6 featuring the in-display fingerprint scanner, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Okay.